How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. So here's an easy method on how you can save pictures on Snapchat without knowing or like telling them and giving them the notification or if you have saved something from their chat. So it's pretty simple. What you gotta do first of all, just go to Snapchat. And once you're inside Snapchat, what you have to do is just go to chat and find the chat that you want to save the picture in it and that has the picture in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select my account for this example. And let me just find my account for a second. And here you go. So this is basically my account. So here, as you can see, this is a blank picture. So if I want to save it, what I can do is just, first of all, I'll just turn on my airplane mode. And once my airplane mode is turned on, what I need to do is just basically press on this and then save to camera roll. So if I do this, here as you can see, there's no notifications over here. So my basically airplane mode is turned on. So if I do go back, and if you see that option like of screen recording and everything, what you need to do is just basically press on Snapchat and remove the app and delete it and then reinstall it. So once you reinstall it, you just go back to the chat and you go back to the where you saved the picture. You won't be able to see any notifications right over here or anything that tells them that you saved any pictures or did something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. So I hope this video helped you out. Please consider leaving a like and drop a subscribe to this channel and comment. And yeah, that's it. Bye.